guys? Welcome back to the channel. Glad you guys are here. So it's like day 4 of plowing. This is going to be our final cleanup. It's been crazy. It's just been non-stop snow for basically 4 days. We've got, let's see, today's the day after Christmas, and you know, we did a little bit yesterday, but not a lot. So we did have a rest day, I guess, in there, which was really nice, although I'm still super tired. So that being said, now we're doing final cleanup on everything, and I just got done with my 5th residential. James and Malachi are Malachi's probably just getting to his first account, and then James is probably heading to his second account at this point. So we started Friday morning plowing, and it was right around, let's see, when it started snowing, it was 36 degrees out, and then it dropped down to once it got to Saturday morning, I think it dropped down to like 3 degrees. So everything was super wet and crazy, and then it all froze, which is really annoying to deal with. So Saturday we also couldn't get the 7.3 started, even plugged in. Couldn't get that thing started, which was annoying. It's mainly my fault that we couldn't get it started because I left it out in an area where the wind is going to blow all the heat out of the engine block, even with the block heater on. So that was annoying. And then later in the day on Saturday we got it running about the time that we finished. So it was perfect.
Yes, I am wearing a Russian hat, just to keep my ears warm, okay? I just left my first property. I think this is the 3rd day in a row we're out. I don't think we filmed anything Saturday, but that day was crazy. The storm's over with. It's not snowing as much anymore, or at all right now. So this is just the final cleanups of all of our properties, and taking care of everybody that we missed because we took off Christmas Day. It shouldn't take us too long. The roads are mostly clear. We don't need to be going really slow anymore, so that's nice. It's been a good day. It's 5 in the morning right now. Woke up at 2:50 to get to work on time, so that was nice. pulled in to this drive. It's a private drive. And I see James pulling out, backing up from a driveway on my right. And he's backing up. I'm like, I think is he gonna stop? I think he will. Well, he should, because he's gonna hit that mailbox. And then it just goes. And I'm like, man, I should have been rolling. Time to shovel.